Litmatch app review and tutorial. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Litmatch app and show you how to use it. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Litmatch, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Litmatch, it is a social network app designed to foster emotional and meaningful connections rather than relying solely on physical appearance or rapid swiping interfaces, in which this application or platform invites user into a warm, respectful community where sharing one's thought and feelings is encouraged and diversity is embraced. So all you need to do is simply open your Google Store and simply install the Litmatch, and upon opening it, you'll automatically be directed in here where you can log in using your Google account, Facebook, and many more. I'm going to sign in using my Google account in here. And now on this page, as you can see, we're currently under the homepage of Litmatch. It will show us in here all of our match. On the top panel, we have here our soul game in here. When you try to click on it, this soul game is pairs with users in anonymous text-based chat session, which is usually around 3 minutes. So if both participants like the chat, they can choose or connect permanently. So from here, you can simply select someone the random user and it will show you in here their account, or you can follow them, or you can simply message them directly in here. You can start waving at them. For example, by clicking the waving button, it will automatically wave the emoji in here. You could also enter here an image or upload a file, send your location, sending them a GIF, or even a voicemail that you prefer. So all of these GIF are needed to have a diamond, which also you need to deposit money from your account. So basically from here you can simply message all of the users that you want, or you could also like their pages in here. Now after that, you could also navigate the voice game, whereby this allows user to have match via soul game to make a one-time voice call per day that offer more personal interaction. But aside from that, if you also want to search or look for specific kind of preferences, you can also navigate here under preference section. You can choose what you want to meet. We have here male, female, or both, and even customize or filter all the ages. For example, I'm looking for a female that age or has 18 to 34 years old with the number of user on the mic of 2 to 5 to this party match in here. You can also adjust the preferences that you prefer once again. So basically, these are the team group voice rooms where users can gather, perform, or simply chat and exchange virtual gifts for a lively and communal experience. And now from here, you could also add a status by clicking add status or plus status button right here if you want to. But going back in here, you could also navigate this party chat option, in which it serves as a vibrant and interactive space where users can join team voice chat rooms to socialize, express themselves, and connect with others in real time. So from here, it will allow you to have multiple users and engaging in live conversations simultaneously. You can see here also sound the ranking, the family, the category, the new, sharing, and many more. It also includes a feature such as sending a virtual gifts, hosting roles, and audience interaction, making it ideal for those who enjoy performing or engaging in casual, group-based conversations. So basically, the main purpose of this party chat is to simply build a fun, inclusive, and lively environment that enhances user connection beyond one-on-one chats. Now moving on to our For You page in here, or Litmatch feed. It serves as a platform for users to express themselves, share their thoughts, and connect with others through posts. Users can upload here a text, images, drawings, or voice recordings to communicate their moods, experiences, or opinions. You could also like their post in here if you want to by clicking the heart button in here. You can comment and even share it. You could also dislike or report the specific post. But moving on from here, you could also navigate to enter your status by simply long pressing to any user in here. But moving on, aside from that, going back to our For You feed, this helps deepen the connection by providing the space for users to showcase their personality and stay actively involved in Litmatch community. And now to our chat section, it will show you all of the messages that you have or you've already chat or have a conversation with other users in this application or platform. You can pin it, select, or delete the chat. You can also add a friends by clicking on the top right corner or searching their Litmatch ID or nickname in here. Or you can also search the chat or contact section. So basically, if you already have a friend who already have a Litmatch account, you can simply search them directly in here. Moving on to our user section, from here it will show you your account including your Litmatch ID, your other information, your bio that you can add here, your interests, the number of your followers, following, visited, and number of rooms in here. And basically from here you can build your own profile page so that many people will be interested in following your account. You could also subscribe to some of the subscription to have a pro account on Litmatch for the other feature they offer. And it will show you also in here some of the award to relation items and some of the gift that you could also purchase in here and items that you will be able to give with other users in here. Now under the settings section, you could also turn on the dark mode. From here, it will show you that you can save here some battery. And from here on the top window or the top panel, it will show you the option to join to their room. But you could also click no thanks if you don't want to. Moving on, you could also edit your profile, such as your profile ID, your bio, and of course some of your interests, your occupation, zodiac sign, statuses, game, sports, music, and any plan that you want in here. You'd also go to this etiquette score, in which it is designed to promote respectful and responsible behavior within the community. It serves as a reflection of users' conduct while interacting with others through chats, voice calls, and public posts, which means that a high etiquette score indicates that the user is polite, follows community guidelines, and engages positively with others, while lower scores suggest inappropriate behavior or frequent rule violations. So make sure that you are also aware to some of the terms and conditions and some of the prohibited action in here that you might also act directly or indirectly. So please make sure to visit their community guidelines in here. And by doing so, it will help the app to moderate interactions and may affect the user access to certain features or matching opportunities based on their behavior. And now going back to the specific user in here, you can double tap the user to see their profile or click the top right pop-up window to share the contact, edit their alias for you, block them, or even report their account. Let's say I'm going to block this one, and after that, it will show you that you cannot receive any messages from that specific user or person. You could also like some other posts in here from other user if you want to interact more. But again, all of this are depending on the preferences that you enter using the filter section. But overall, Litmatch stands out as the one platform for those who seek genuine conversation, connection, and mutual understanding, making it feel more safe social space than just another chat app. And overall, that is just basically how you can use Litmatch app. Thank you.